Central Kentucky until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
At
At 8:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Springfield,
right there.
at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, McVille, Riddletown, Thompsonville, Texas, Pottsville, Briertown, and Jenkinsville. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Tornado possible!
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.